Today, we are bringing you a detailed analysis of the new Volvo EX30 2024, which is making waves in the world of electric vehicles. Let's get started. Volvo EX30 2024, the affordable electric SUV. The Volvo EX30 2024 is the most affordable electric vehicle from the Swedish brand, starting at 219,950 Brazilian reals. That's right, Volvo is making electric mobility more accessible. After the launch, Volvo also shared some exciting information. Hello everyone, how's it going? Welcome to the world of luxury automobiles. Don't wait until the end of the video to subscribe. Please like and activate the notification bell, it really helps our team. Now, let's talk about prices and pre-orders. With prices starting at 219,950 Brazilian reals, the EX30 2024 is an intriguing option for those seeking a high-quality electric vehicle. During the pre-order phase, Volvo has already received over 2,000 orders, indicating the Brazilian market's interest in this innovation. The EX30 2024 was released in 4 different versions, all equipped with a 272 horsepower rear electric motor and 35 kgfm of torque. This provides incredible acceleration, from 0 to 100 km per hour in 5.7 seconds for the base version and 5.3 seconds for the extended range models. The top speed remains at 180 km per hour. Additionally, you have 2 battery options, a 51 kWh LFP or a 69 kWh NMC, which can result in an approximate range of 340 or 470 km, according to WLTP standards, respectively. Range is a crucial factor in an electric vehicle, and the EX30 offers good choices. For those seeking even more impressive performance, Volvo is preparing the most powerful variant, known as the EX30 twin motor. This compact SUV comes with a dual motor, all-wheel drive, 428 horsepower of combined power, and 55.7 kgfm of maximum torque. It accelerates from 0 to 100 km per hour in an incredible 3.6 seconds, maintaining a top speed of 180 km per hour. The battery capacity for this version is 69 kWh, 64 kWh effective, offering a range of 450 km in the combined cycle and 588 km in urban use. The charging capacity is also impressive, with 11 kW in AC and 153 kW in DC. What can we expect for the future? Volvo plans to launch the all-wheel drive version with 428 horsepower in 2025, although the exact date has not been disclosed yet. Volvo has set an ambitious sales target for the EX30. The Swedish automaker aims to sell 10,000 units by the end of 2024, from the start of deliveries in May through December of next year. This is a significant volume and demonstrates Volvo's confidence in the Brazilian market. And with that, we conclude our analysis of the Volvo EX30 2024. With its affordable price, impressive performance, and ambitious plans for the future, Volvo is making a big impact in the world of electric vehicles. If you're considering purchasing an electric vehicle, the EX30 is definitely an option to consider. Thank you all for watching the video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, share with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Comment below on what you think of the Volvo EX30 and if you're excited about the future of Volvo's electric vehicles. Until next time.